Hello student, welcome to online class. Myself Kuldeep Srivastava. Today we will discuss how to compare two rational numbers or more than two rational numbers. Okay, and when we are going to compare two rational numbers or more than two rational numbers, then we follow four steps. And our first step is express each of the two given rational numbers with the positive denominators. Positive denominator means what? As you know all, there are two types of rational numbers. Okay, first type of rational number is positive rational numbers, and second type of rational number is negative rational number. And positive rational number means when the numerator and denominator are both are positive or both are negative, then that type of rational number is positive rational numbers. And negative rational number, it means in numerator and denominator each one of them is negative sign, then that type of rational number is known as negative rational number. So suppose we take example 1 upon 3 and 1 upon minus. Okay, when we compare 1 upon 3 and 1 upon minus 2, and which one is greater? Okay, then here we see that 1 upon 3 numerator is 1 and denominator is 3, which is positive. And next rational number is 1 upon minus 2. Here we see that denominator is negative sign. Then according to step first, all the denominators are positive denominator, but here denominator is negative. Now when we multiply by minus 1 in numerator and denominator, then we get the denominator is positive. Then 1 multiplied by minus 1 divided by minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1, 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 1, 2, minus into minus, plus. Okay, now we see that we can convert negative denominator in positive denominator. Okay, so therefore we get two rational numbers. First one 1 upon 3, and second one after multiplication, then we get positive denominator minus 1 upon 2. And second step is take the LCM of these positive denominator. These positive denominator, it means denominators of the given rational number. Denominator of given rational number is 3 and 2. Both are different from each other. 3 and 2 both are different. Now then we take LCM of the given denominators. LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Therefore LCM of the denominators are 6. Okay, LCM of denominators is 6. Then we see third step and fourth step. And our third step is express each rational numbers with LCM as common denominator. LCM means what? When we find LCM of the given denominators, then we get LCM. And how we find LCM? When we find LCM, because that LCM is what? That LCM is our common denominator. And the given rational numbers, new rational numbers, 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2. And LCM is equal to 6. Now common denominator, it means with the same denominators, we convert the given rational numbers with the same denominator. Okay, then 1 upon 3, LCM is 6, but how we convert 3 in 6? When we multiply it by 2 in numerator and denominators, then we get denominator is 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Then 1 into 2, 2, and 3 into 2, 6. Okay, and second one minus 1 upon 2. but how can we find 2? How can we convert in 2 in the form of 6? Then when we multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator, then we get denominator is 6. Okay, minus 1 upon 2 when we multiplied by 3 in numerator and denominators, then minus 1 into 3 minus 3 and 2 into 3 6. Okay, now we see that okay student, then we see that with the common denominator is 6 and 6. Okay, then we have first rational number is 2 upon 6 and second rational number is minus 3 upon 6. Now we see our fourth step. Fourth step is the number having the greater numerator is greater and a smaller numerator is small. Okay, so a smaller numerator is smaller. Therefore, we get two rational number 2 upon 6 and minus 3 upon 6. Now, first of all, we will write the given rational numbers 2 upon 6 and minus 3 upon 6 with the both 6 and 6 with the same denominator with positive and 2 and minus 3. Now we compare the numerators. When numerator is greater, then that rational number is greater rational numbers, and a smaller rational and when numerator is smaller, then that rational number is smaller. Here we see that denominators are same and numerator is 2 and minus 3. Numerators 2 and minus 3. Now, 2 compare 2 and minus 3. 2 is greater than minus 3. 2 is greater than minus 3. And when 2 is greater than minus 3, that's why 2 upon 6 is greater than minus 3 upon 6. And when 2 upon 3 is greater than minus 3 upon 6, then according to question, 2 upon 6, it means 1 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon minus 1 upon 2. And in the given question, compare 1 upon 3 and 1 upon minus 2. That's why we can write 1 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon minus 2. As you know all, every positive numbers is greater than every negative number. That's why we can write 2 is greater than minus 3. 2 is positive integer and minus 3 is negative integer. That's why 2 is greater than minus 3. And when 2 is greater than minus 3, then rational number 2 upon 6 is greater than minus 3 upon 6. And the value of 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 6, this is the rational number, but we write in standard form of rational number. And standard form of rational number, it means what? Standard form of rational number, it means having no common factor other than 1. Then we write standard form of 2 upon 6 is 1 upon 3 is greater than 3 upon 6, it means minus 1 upon 2. This is our question. And according to question, we compare the given rational numbers, then we find 1 upon 3 is greater than minus 1 upon 2. Okay class? Thank you class.